Friends, today I am going to make ginger tea. In India, ginger tea is very common in winter season. People love having it. And I am taking 3 cups of water. We are 5 members in family, so 5 cup tea is being prepared. For that I have taken 3 cup water and 2.5 cup of milk. Now water has turned hot, so let us add 5 spoons of tea for 5 cup tea. I preserve ginger crushed in this ice tray. See, it is convenient for me to preserve it and use it when needed. Easily we can remove one piece and add it to our tea. Little more if you want, you can also take little more from the ice tray. It's frozen ginger crush. Let it boil for a few seconds. We will add 5 teaspoons sugar. This is for 5 cup tea. Now it's time to add milk. 1 cup, 2.5. Once the milk is added, we don't have to boil too much. It's ready now. See, now ready to serve with excellent aroma. Try it and enjoy the winter season.